Niaje bosi wangu?
Asante sana bro.
Anakuwa na Spider-Man hapa huko.
Yes. This Spider-Man grandpa.
Kwa majina nani?
Kwa majina najita Spider-Man grandpa on all social media platforms.
Au sio? Tuko wapi na tunafanya nini hapa?
Leo tuko Mama Ngina ku celebrate 20 years of ODM in leadership. Tangu ianzishwe. Yes.
Sasa umekuja hapa Spider-Man ama kunini tu baba?
You know, I've been a supporter of Baba for many years, and when he passed on, it was really painful to me. So today I just decided to come and entertain people and also to celebrate Baba. Yeah.
Uko hapa tangia saa ngapi?
Oh, okay, I was at Fort Jesus. Nimekuwa Fort Jesus ndio nimeingia sasa hapa hivi sahi. I think 20 minutes ago.
Si basi ungevaa kama t-shirt ya Baba leo tunaona
but you know hii bado na represent Baba. You know Baba when he was a Gen Z or millennial used to put on this cape yenye inakaa hivi. So I'm still representing Baba.
Sasa waambia watu
neno la mwisho. Never give up and be on your own. Do not care what others think about you. Just you'll succeed in life. Whatever you want in life, just go for it and never give up. Don't give a fuck of whatever anyone is telling you about. You are a hero and just soldier on, be optimistic and put hard work and God will bless you.
Asante sana.
Yeah.